Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Hello, grade 3 level scientists, and welcome again to our science program. Today we complete the topic of what is matter. Do you remember what we studied? We studied matter, and we studied mass, and we studied the balance. Number one, what is matter? Matter is all the materials around us. Sand, rock, steel, iron, plastic, glass, this is matter. Living things, people are matter. Okay, what about mass? Mass means weight, how heavy or light things are. Okay, number three, what is a balance? A balance is, a machine for weighing things. Through the balance, we know which item has greater mass. Okay? Now let's move on. Okay. As we said, we explained that things are made out of matter. Okay, we explained that matter has mass and takes up space. We learned about the balance. Okay, today we're going to show that the mass of materials remains unchanged when it is together or in parts. Let's see this. But first, let's review what we did. You remember this? Yes, matter, space. Okay. What about this? Grams, balance. Okay, this is a balance. And this is mass. This one has greater mass because it weighs more. Okay? Let's look at this picture. Mass stays the same. What can you see in the pictures? Here I can see the two little scientists having, each one has a ball of, clay. When they put them on the balance, they are equal. Okay? Here the boy makes it, like a lion, like this. Like a lion, you see? Here it keeps it like a circle. Which one weighs more? This one, in the form of a lion, or in the form of a ball or a circle? Guess what? They are the same, yes, because here they were the same. So whatever you make doesn't influence the mass of the object. So let's read what's under the pictures. Sam and Charlotte have some modeling clay. They share it by cutting it in two. To check the shares are the same, okay, they put the pieces on a balance. The balance is level. Okay, so the shares are equal. Each one takes the same amount of clay. Here, Sam rolls his clay into a sausage. Okay, makes it like sausage. Now he says he has more mass. Sam says, I have more mass because it looks like a sausage, because his piece is longer. Charlotte says the amount is unchanged. When she puts the two pieces of clay on the balance, they remain unchanged. So she tells him that the amount is unchanged. It's only the shape that is different. To check their theory, Charlotte puts the pieces on the balance. Was she right? Was Charlotte right? Yes, she was right, because when we change the shape, okay, here you will find that the amount is unchanged. So if here the point is that the amount remains the same even if you change the shape. Okay? So these two pieces of clay remain the same weight. Okay? Let's move on to this very important experiment. You will need a balance like this, modeling clay, and a plastic knife. Check for yourself. Roll the modeling clay in a ball. Cut the ball in half. Check both halves are the same with the balance. Change the shape of one half. Has its mass changed? Use the balance to check. If you have, a ball of clay, cut it into 2 pieces, and when you do this, change the shape of one piece like this, make it into smaller balls, and leave the other half as it is. Will they change in terms of mass or weight? No, they will stay the same. So if you change the shape doesn't change the mass. They will remain as they are. Mass, and the conclusion is mass stays the same when you change the shape of an object. So when you change the shape, mass stays the same. Or when you break something into pieces, this makes no difference. Okay? This is a very easy activity. Okay, here we have a bar of chocolate. If we, cut it into pieces, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We cut it into 12 pieces. Which one has more chocolate, of course, or less chocolate? Or are they the same amount? Yes, they are the same amount. The shape, it changed, but the amount is the same. Okay? By this, we come to the end of our science lesson for today. Thank you very much for watching. See you again.